everyone, Lisa here from How to Zazzle. One of the viewers asked me how to make a poster on Zazzle, so I'm going to show you today how to do that. So thank you for watching, and thank you for sending in questions. So I'm going to go over here, and I already pulled up the template. I'm going to go here to customize this design. And over here, I'm going to go to upload images. And now I picked out a picture ahead of time that I want to upload. And there's going to be issues with the picture, and I want to show you guys how to deal with those issues. So you can make posters, of your kids, of pets, of your vacations, whatever you want, you can turn it into a poster. So I'm going to upload this picture I took when I was in Provincetown on Cape Cod in Massachusetts. So once you upload a picture, this is going to come up, and it's going to give you these three options. Maintain my selected poster size. Use my image to resize to the nearest standard stock poster size. Or resize my poster to a custom size to match my image exactly. This last one will give you like the best resolution for your poster. But obviously all of these are too small, right? So if you have like a really good camera, or you're making something out of your art and you have a really big resolution, you can skip this next step and just add it straight to the poster. But I want to show you guys what to do because sometimes cell phones and stuff don't have very big pictures. So I'm going to delete this picture here. And you can do this on multiple sites. Canva, Kittl. I'm going to use Image2Go. So this site, Image2Go, I think you get like a couple freebies a month. So that's what I'm going to use right now. So I'm going to go here to Image2Go. And I'm going to scroll down here. And I'm going to go to Upscale Image. Now when you put an image in here and upscale it, it's going to make the picture bigger so that you can put it on a poster. Let me upload the photo here. So I'm going to go here to choose file. And then go here to 4 times. And then click start. So then the screen's going to pop up. And once it's ready, you just click download. Now I'll show you the difference in these pictures. So see over here, this one is just 960 by 540, whereas the dimensions of the one we just upscaled is 3840 by 2160, much bigger. So if you just try to make it bigger, see how it's going to get really blurry. But if you use the one you upscaled, it's going to be much clearer. Okay, so anyway, you don't need to worry about this step if you have like a nice big clear picture. I just wanted to show you guys what to do if you have like a favorite vacation photo or a picture of your kids, but it's too small to put like on a bigger poster. So okay, so anyways, we're going to go back up here to upload images again. And we're going to upload the one with the bigger resolution. And I don't really want any of these. So for right now, I'm just going to leave on maintain my selected poster size. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on done. And I'm going to go over here and decide what size I want. Do I want like an 8 by 10, 11 by 14? Those will be easy to find frames for. Or do I want one that's a little bit bigger? Like, actually, I think I want landscape. So I'm going to go up to landscape. And then we'll do 24 by 16. Let's see how that looks. So you can look at it and see if you like it. The picture was a little bit longer than this poster, so if you want, you can click on the size, and you can even make your own custom size. So if you want to change the size of the poster, you can, click these. But if you move this one's going to move. See what I mean? It will change the size of both. So if you only want to change like the length and not the top, you just click this right here. Toggle that on, and then it will let you pick which one you want to change. So I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger. I'll put 28 by 16 and click apply. And then let's see if that fits better. And it does, perfect. So now if you want to add some text, this picture I took in Provincetown, Massachusetts. So just so I don't spell it wrong, I am going to copy the text here. So I'm going to go over here on the left-hand side and add text. Paste it in there. Put that on the top and center it. And then you go over here to the right side and you can pick what font you like. And this is a great way, you know, if you have pictures from anything that you love, like a wedding, a vacation, an area in your town, whatever it is that you like, you can make a poster out of. So play around until you get a text you like. And then once you get it how you like it, just click on done. And there's your poster. So if you just want to buy it for yourself, you just add it to your cart and buy it. Now say you want to make this for a customer. You click on sell it. And then you just put in the information. I'm not even going to try to spell it because I know I'll do it wrong. Click the department and then put in a description. Put in your description using lots of keywords people would use to search for this item. And then for events and recipient, I'm going to leave that blank, and I'm going to put this in my photography shop. And the category will be water. Okay, then I'm going to put in tags. So you can put up to 10 tags, and once you get your tags in, then click Rated G, leave that alone. This is where you put in your royalty rates. And if you want a person to be able to do an instant download, click Enable this product for instant download, and you can put in your percent. For posters, I usually put in 80%. You can put in whatever you want. and then I have the right to publish and then post it. And now you get your picture for sale. So you can buy it yourself, customers can buy it, and you can make commission on it. If you share it like on Pinterest or Twitter or Facebook, and you're signed up for the referral program, you'll get commission plus a referral fee. So thank you for watching the video. That's how you make a poster. Here's some other posters I've made so you can get some different ideas and different kinds of posters you can make. So you guys all have a great day and happy Zazzling to you. Wishing you guys all luck in your stores and hoping sales are picking up for everyone. Bye-bye.